Hey guys, I thought I would do something slightly different today because I've been posting a lot of natural makeup looks online and I try to keep them as short as possible so it's easy to follow. I still get people asking me questions about techniques and saying, hey Sim, can you break it down a little bit more? But I find that if I break it down more, the tutorial is going to be longer. So I thought I'd make these little bite-sized almost tutorials. So I wanted to do mini videos based on little questions that I get asked all the time, whether that be eyes or face or whatever it is. I'm just going to break them down into bite-sized tutorials. I was thinking to call them something like Simple Tips by Sim. Let me know if this is the kind of thing you want. I thought it would be easier to follow along on shorter tutorials instead of one big long tutorial. But today I'm going to be talking about eyes. So I wanted to do a very simple eye look with minimal product, just because right now a lot of people are wearing masks and the eyes are basically the only thing you can see, and I thought it would be nice to share with you some of the tricks that I do just to get a 2-minute kind of look. Today's first tutorial in these Simple Tip by Sim series is going to be how to enhance your eyes. I wanted to show you a quick trick of how to take your eyes from this to this. So I've already done my base and stuff, and I've got this long piece of hair, like my hair's really long at the moment, and this is questionable, but I don't want to have it all out of my face like this. So this is what we're dealing with at the moment. So for this tutorial I'm using 2 brushes only. I've got the Zoeva Luxe soft crease brush, it's the 221, and then I've got the Morphe Y22. It's a small pencil brush. You just need a fluffy brush like this and a pencil brush like this. You can get them across all brands, so you don't need to have these 2 in particular. And then I'll probably go in with a mascara. This is the Scandalized Wow Wings mascara. Okay, to start off with, I'm going to go in with a bronzer or any brown eyeshadow. I'm going to use a teeny bit of this and put it all over my lid. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just like it to add a bit of dimension to the lid. It already ties in with the bronzer on my face. So I use the Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. Any bronzer will do, any brown eyeshadow will do. And then the 2 eyeliners I'm going to go in with, there's one brown one, it is Teddy from MAC, and then a black one, it is Perversion from Urban Decay. I'd say you can use any brown or black, but you want them to be quite smooth and creamy. And the reason I love these 2 is obviously this black is so dark, you can blend it out into like a nice smoky eye. And then this brown is really unique. It's dark, but it's got like golden and pinky kind of sparkles in there, which kind of open up the eye. So I'm actually going to go first in with Teddy, the brown one. I'm going to apply this really generously all over the lash line. Don't worry about it, it doesn't have to be neat. Can you see it looks a bit crazy at the moment? Make sure you go all the way to the outside of your eye. I noticed some people stop right there and I'm not quite sure why. So go all the way to the outer corner, and then I like to bring it onto the lower lash line as well, like that. Can you see how crazy it looks? And that's okay. This is where it all comes together. So I'm going to blend this out. I'm going to use the pencil brush. I'm going to start on the bottom because I don't want to add any more product down there. I just want to use what's down there already and just gently blend over the edge. Can you see how much better that looks already compared to that? It also blows out the eye a tiny bit more, so it looks a bit more professionally done. And then you want to blend the edge of the top. So we're going to go right here and blend it out. Can you see the difference already? And because we laid the bronzer down at the beginning, it's going to help blend that brown eyeliner up into the eyelid. Like that. Then taking the black eyeliner, I'm going to tightline the upper lash line because I don't like that pink showing at the top. So I'm going to go and colour all that in black. Like that. You can do the same for the lower lash line, but I actually like going back in with Teddy, the brown liner, and lining the bottom. And that way you add the depth you want to your eye, but it's not going to close down your eye because it's not black. It's got that reflex from the sparkle. It's actually going to open up your eye a tiny bit more, but give you the depth as well. And then one more time, just lightly dust over the lid with some bronzer. And then going in with some mascara. And that is it, you guys. You see how easy that was just to create a simple but effective eye just for any kind of event. You can wear it daytime, evening. It looks really cute and really fresh, especially if you've got a base like this. I like it. If you give this a go, tag me. I'd love to see your recreations. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give this a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you like these kind of things and I'll do more of them. But I think that's it for now. I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon. Bye!